So ganito kaganda ang golf driving range and practice facility dito sa Bangkok. They really take their golf very seriously. Sana naman sa Manila, magkaganito rin tayo. Nandito na tayo guys sa Top Golf Mega City. Laki pala siya, no? I think this is a new development dito sa Bangkok, mga 30 minutes away. Ito raw yung parang golf school practice facility dito sa Bangkok. Maraming amenities, no? So this is one of those putting yard. So it says 300 putt. Ano ba to? Only na ba to? Baka only na yan, no? So if you wanna practice your putting, baka later, no? Ito naman yung mini golf nila, no? Kung nakita nyo, sample lang to, I think this is hole 10. Haba nung mini golf course, no? Di tulad sa atin, parang isang kahon lang. So ito, challenging siya. And nakita nyo yung surface. Pang putting talaga siya, no? So magandang practice talaga to, no? Ito talaga yung hinahanap natin sa Manila na mini golf course, no? I think meron sa East Ridge, no? Yung Bunker Hill ba yun? Pero hindi pa ako nakapunta. Pero ito, example ng magandang mini golf course. Dati nung bata ako, re-reveal ko na yung edad ko dito. Meron kaming par 42 tsaka par 44 dyan sa Makati, and I think sa BGC, no? Although hindi ganito kaganda, medyo malaki na yon compared dun sa mga courses ngayon na mini golf, no? So this is a very good course. Ito, tignan nyo. May Santra pa. Mini golf course pero may Santra pa. Ganda, di ba? So this is an 18-hole course na pwede sa pamilya, no? So dito mapapractice talaga yung putting nyo, no? So it's a hindi siya laro-laro lang, no? It's really a practice facility for putting using a mini golf course, no? Sana magkaroon din tayo ng ganito sa Manila because admittedly putting is a forgotten art, no? Lahat ng tao gusto pumalo ng driver, gusto malakas ang palo. Pero yung putting sa game talaga, yung short game yung pinaka-importante. So master the pitching, the chipping, and putting, no? Ako, in my golf career, I've taken importance sa putting. That's why, hindi naman sa pagmamalaki, putting is one of my strengths in my game, no? And sa mga gantong course, matutulungan talaga kayong gumaling sa putting. And because of that, yung scores nyo will drastically or dramatically improve. Nagpaalam lang tayo mag-video. Oh, nice. Ganda pala dito, guys. Ito may mga merch, bola, mga shirts, and then may restaurant. Hello. I'll just video. Then restaurants. May bar. Punta tayo sa heating bay, no? Ganito kaganda ang driving range dito. Talong-talo yung sa atin, no? So, palo tayo mamayang konti. So, paggabi raw yan, umiilaw. So, yung parang sa States, may bar, tapos umiilaw, no? So, ito, ibang-iba yung ano niya, heating area. Medyo high-tech. Hindi tayo sanay sa ganito. Pang old can lang tayo. Tapos ilang base ba yan? Dami, siguro more than 100 base yan. up and down. So, kung nakita nyo to, parang three floors pa siya. So, kumuha tayo ng promotion nila, guys. It's 350 baht for 1 hour. Yung usual price kasi 550. Pero since umaga tayo pumunta dito, nakakuha tayo ng promotion. So, ito sinasabi nila, free raw yan. Oh. There's men's clubs and women's clubs. Tapos, ito naman, cool to kasi i-wave mo lang daw yung club mo, lalabas na yung bola. Ayan, palo na tayo. So, ganun pala yun, guys. Itong game na to, yung pinili ko, lahat ng mga flags na yan, may points. So, pag shoot, makaka-shoot ka ron sa mga flag, you earn points. So, kanina, I was able to get 7 points, no? And then dito, lalabas yung distance ko. Yung ball speed, distance. Para ka nasa virtual golf din, pero nasa hitting day ka. Shout out pala sa Nike and Malboro. Thanks for the show. May twist pala. So pag naka-all-in-one ka pala dito, pwede ka mahal ng flash price or golf set. Pinagkitan ako ng baba. Pag Red Bull, it's 2,389 baht ang papalaro na ito. Pag yellow, 20,000 baht. Pag green, 146,000. So yung natirahin natin, baka manalo pa tayo, may pang-shopping pa tayo. So diba? Galing ng concept nila dito. Kaya morning pa lang, 10 o'clock pa lang. Madami-dami nang pumapalo. We've already hit 14 balls. 108 na yung score natin. No? Itong 0 kasi tinatry natin mag-hole-in-one. Sayang naman kung manalo, di ba? So palo pa tayo, tingnan natin ano yung total score natin and tsaka kung maka-hole-in-one tayo dito. What's your name?
My name is Tun.
Tun.
Yeah, and I help you explain you how
so
to
this is
play
the
this game.
virtual game, right?
Yeah, it's a virtual card game. It's like a simulator. You go to pick up your like.
Alright,
okay.
let's try. Driver first, right?
Yeah, driver first. 320 yard in a clean target. Aim to the green. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You can aim left, aim right at this skin. If you press aim left, yeah, the skin is aim left. Aim right,
Just
skin is aim right. Yeah, okay. But it's auto aim for you.
But the ball, no.
Yeah. Okay, try again. It's coming. Okay. Okay, diver. Aim to the green one. Green. Yeah, aim to the green. Hit to the green. Whoa, that's good. Okay, let's check in the skin. What is that? Okay, you hit like 180. 87 yard.
Then to the
Okay, and next part, yellow one. Yes, shoot to yellow. Use a sandwich. Yellow is far from here, like 54 yard. In the left.
4 yards.
Yeah.
Sandwich.
Yeah, sandwich is a good shot.
Yellow.
Yellow, yep. Okay, let's see. It's yellow one. Wow, looking good. Okay, let's check. Bang, bogey.
Last hole ko na ng Pebble Beach. Tingnan natin yung score natin so far. Score natin so far is +3. So we're in our last hole. We finished our 9th hole bogey. So 42 tayo +6. Parang naglaro lang ako sa Manila. Ganyan yung mga scores ko lagi. So yun, tapos na. Wala na yata tayo mag-mini golf. Sayang to guys. Hole in one, no? Hindi natin nakuha. Kasi sana, 150,000 na yun. Sayang. Pero, enjoy tayo dito. Next time you're in Bangkok, try the Top Golf Mega City.